Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should confirm your environment first. Install Seaborn and Pandas if missing, then import them. Once done, use SNS. Get dataset names to see built-in data. This saves time versus hunting files. Next, choose a dataset name and call SNS. Load dataset name to fetch a Pandas data frame directly. Make sure your Python environment has internet access for remote retrieval. If not, prepare local CSVs. These first steps get you an in-memory data frame you can inspect and manipulate immediately. You load the data and then verify its shape and type so downstream code works reliably. For built-in datasets, use SNS. Load dataset name. For local files, use PD, read CSV, or PD, read Excel. Once loaded, run df head, df info, and df describe to check columns and missing values. If dates are strings, convert with PD to data time. For categorical values, use dfcall equals dfcall as type category. These inspections prevent silent bugs and make You now finalize the dataset for analysis. Clean missing values, convert types, and rename columns for readability. Once clean, save a copy with df to CSV cleaned, CSV, or proceed to Seaborn plotting functions. If loading fails, check 3 common causes: misspelled dataset name, lack of internet for built-ins, or outdated Seaborn/Pandas versions. As a quick fix, update packages with pip and retry, or load a local CSV. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.